Guys. Okay, this is lesson 7.9, dividing by 9. We're on the on your own section, and I'm gonna go ahead and write in which ones for each group to do. Okay, so I've circled or kind of put a colored dot over which ones I want each group to do. So take a look. Second City is the light blue, Windy City, you're the pink. So go ahead and circle which ones you have to do. Also, my Windy Cities, you have the last one, 26. Okay, push pause so you can finish circling those. Then try them by yourself. Come back and see how you did. All right, so I'm going to start solving some of these. 36 divided by 4, that was not from today's lesson, but from older lessons. And again, I like the 4 trick. I'm very good at the 4 trick. Instead of dividing by 4, first I'm going to divide by the factors of 4, a 2 and then another 2. So 36, if I cut 36 in half, which is dividing by 2, I know that if I try some different doubles, because that's what half is, 15 plus 15 is 30. 16 plus 16 is 32. But if I keep going, 18 plus 18 is 36. But that's just my first step because I'm not supposed to really be dividing by 2. I'm supposed to be dividing by 4. So I have to do the other factor of 2. So now I've got 18 and I need to divide it by the other 2. And 18 divided by 2, I think we're much quicker at now, is 9. So 36 divided by 4 is 9. Okay, 72 divided by 9. I could draw circle groups for this one over on the side. I could draw 9 groups and pass all 72 out one at a time. Okay, you could also use my factors trick for this one. Divide 72 divided by 3 and then divide by 3 again. Now, many of us are probably not good at dividing 72 by 3, so that might not be a good strategy for this one. Maybe I could do repeated subtraction. I'm going to pause and I'm just going to write that for us so you don't have to wait for me to write it all. Okay, I'm back. I wrote all my repeated subtraction of subtracting groups of 9 until I got to 0. So now I have to see how many times I did that. So I did it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 72 divided by 9 should have been 8. 81 divided by 9, if you know your multiplication facts, you know that that is 9. This one's trying to trick you by going backwards here. It's still 27 divided by 9, which is 3. 3 groups of 9 would be 27. Number 15, 63 divided by 9 is 7. Okay, again, you can use this strategy. You could have drawn circle groups. You could have used your multiplication facts. Okay, find the unknown number. So we're trying to find what E really equals. 64 divided by 8. If you use your multiplication facts, you know that that equals 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 0 divided by 9, I see a 0 here. Whenever we have 0 fish, how many is going to go into each bowl? 0. All right, Windy Cities, you had to divide by 8 in this one. 24 divided by 8 should have been 3. 40 divided by 8 should have been 5. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 48 divided by 8 is 6. They're just getting you to practice those division facts over and over. Now, both of you, Windy Cities and Second Cities, had to do this one where you were dividing by 9. 54 divided by 9. I think we did that somewhere up top. Oh, no, we haven't done it on this page yet. Is 6. Remember that trick of multiplication with 9? How you have to subtract 1. So now you're going backward. You're saying, okay, what do I have to subtract 1 from to get the number 5? Well, 6 minus 1 was 5. What do you have to subtract 1 from to get 4? 5 minus 1 is 4. What about 7? 8 minus 1 is 7. And what about 6? 7 minus 1 is 6. So 63 divided by 9 is 7. Okay, I'm going to pause here and do a new video for the word problems on this page. Good job, guys.